Today on Goldwing Docs, a better way to wash your hands. I'm not kidding. You're gonna wanna watch this. Okay, so you've been working on your bike, your hands are all greasy. Mine are not because I just washed them and that's what gave me the idea to make the video. But, so you're working on your bike and your hands are filthy, full of grease and oil. You want some fast orange. I will put a link to this down in the description below. Make sure you get the one with the pumice in it. This stuff works really good on its own, but there's a trick I learned when I was crewing on a race team that the crew chief actually taught me that makes this stuff work way better, and I'm gonna show it to you now. So to begin with, you give yourself a 1 or 2 squirts of the fast orange in one hand. And here's the second part to the trick. You just take regular hand soap and squirt into your other hand the hand soap. You turn on the water, take the two, put them together, wash, and rinse. And for whatever reason, the hand soap and the fast orange together works way better than just hand soap and fast orange on its own. Well, that's it. My hands are clean, and now your hands are clean too. And using your clean hands, you can go and click that like button down below if you haven't yet already. Click subscribe and that little bell because it really helps us out. You get notified every time we post a new helpful video. Thanks for watching.